Today in this video lecture, we are going to solve Khan University Examination Board Class 10th Maths May 2011 Maths Paper 1. So let's come to our question number 1 in this year. So here we have our question number 1 and 2. So let's solve these question number 1. We have a linear equation in question 1 and we have to find its solution. So 3x minus 6 equals to 24. So for the value of x will be equals to 24 plus 6 divided by 3. That will be equals to 30 over 3 equals to 10. So the correct answer for this question number 1 is option B. Then we have question number 2. And in question number 2, we have to find the HCF of these three expressions 3a, 6a square, and 9a cube. So, as we know that HCF is the common factor. So, the term that is common in all of these terms is 3a. So the HCF of these three terms is 3a. So the correct answer would be option A. Let's come to our next question, that is question number 3. To make this expression a perfect square, what should be added? So here we have x square plus 1 over 4. So we have two terms that are already perfect square, x square and 1 over 2 whole square. So for this to be a perfect square, there should be a plus 2ab or minus 2ab, where a is x and b is 1 over 2. सो ये मिडिल टर्म है जो कि हमें इस एक्सप्रेशन के अंदर ऐड करनी पड़ेगी या सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी पड़ेगी ताकि इस एक्सप्रेशन को हम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कह सकें. सो 2x इंटू 1/2 will be equals to x. So x should be added or x should be subtracted from this expression so that this could become a perfect square. So the correct answer is option C. Then let's come to our question number 4. Which of the following is an improper algebraic fraction? So improper, if you recall what is improper fraction, so those fractions in which the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator. Numerators की degree डिनोमिनेटर की डिग्री से बराबर हो या बड़ी हो तो ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन इम्प्रॉपर कहलाता है. सो यहाँ x की पावर 2 है और यहाँ 3 है. दिस इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सिमिलरली सेकेंड ऑप्शन में अगर हम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर को ब्रेक करें सो वी विल गेट पावर 2 and power 4 is in denominator. This is proper. Similarly यहाँ x की पावर 0 और यहाँ x की पावर 2 है. This is proper. So the correct answer is option D, in which numerator has a degree 2 and the denominator has degree 1. So the correct answer is option D. Then let's see question number 5. So in question number 5, we have to simplify this expression x square minus y square over x minus y divided by x plus y. सो न्यूमरेटर में हम डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देते हैं x प्लस वाई एंड x माइनस वाई डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस वाई, and this division will be multiplied with the reciprocal of this expression. So x plus y and x plus y will be cancelled, x minus y is cancelled, so only remaining factor is 1. So option B is the right answer. Let's come to our question number 6 and 7. If modulus of x minus d is 0, we have to find the value of d. So x minus d will be equal to 0. So simply x is equal to d. So the solution that satisfies this modulus equation is x equals d option D is the right answer. Then we have an inequality 2 minus x is greater than 2. To find the value of x, let's shift this negative 2 on the right side of inequality and this 2 to the left side of this inequality. So 2 minus 2 is greater than plus x. This positive 2 has become negative and this negative 2x has become positive. So this is 0. So 0 is greater than x. It's mean x is less than 0. So x is less than 0. So we have option C as our correct answer. Then we have question number 8. If x is a real number, we have to find the solution of this inequality. 3x over 2 minus 3 over 2 is greater than 0. So this minus 3 over 2 will shift to the right side of the equation. 3x over 2 is greater than 3 over 2. So this 2 will be multiplied and 3 will be divided on the other side of inequality. So x would be greater than 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3. After cancellation, we will get x is greater than 1. So these option C and option D are incorrect because the arrow moves towards left where the numbers are smaller than 1. A and B could be the right answer, and in option A that represent x is greater than or equals to 1, while option B represent x is greater than 1. Option B is our right answer. Then see question number 9 and 10. The point of intersection of the lines y equals 3x and y equals 2x. So we have two equations that are of the form y is equal to mx. And we know that this type of lines always passes through origin. The type of line y is equals to mx is the one that passes through the origin that has the coordinate 0 comma 0. So this line also passes through 0 comma 0, and this line also passes from 0 comma 0. It's mean the point of intersection of these line is option D. In which of the following figure the fourth quadrant is represented? So we know that this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. So we have to identify the fourth quadrant in which x is negative while x is positive while y is negative. So option A is the right answer. Then let's come to question number 11 and 12. The pair of points which may lie on the straight line AB is 0, 0, and which of the following options? So we have a line AB and we have to identify, and this line is passing through 0, comma 0. And we have to identify that which of the following point also lie on this point on this line. So option A is 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 will lie on the x-axis. This is point A. Then in point B, 3 comma minus 2. So this with 3 and minus 1 minus 2. This point lie here. This is point B. Option C is minus 3 minus 3. So this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this point lie here. So this is our point C. Similarly, minus 2 comma plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 point will lie here. So as we can see, there is only one point that lie on this line AB, that is minus 3 comma minus 3. Option C is the right answer. Then we have a quadratic equation and we have to represent this into standard form. X square minus x over 3 equals to 1. So let's take LCM on the left hand side. That equation will become 3x square minus x equals 1, and 3x square minus x equals to 3, and 3x square minus x minus 3 equals to 0. So this is the correct standard form of this quadratic equation. So this equation is in our option D. So this is our right answer. Then let's come to question number 13 and 14. We have to find the solution set of this equation. X square is equal to 5, and by taking square root on both sides, x would be equals to plus minus root 5. So the solution set will be plus root 5 and minus root 5. So option C is our right answer. Uh, the solution set of this radical equation square root x equals to x. So let's take a square on the both side. This is square and root will be cancelled out. So x will be equals to x square, and x square minus x is equals to 0. This x has moved towards the right side of the equation. If we take x common, we will get x minus 1 equals to 0. So the values of x, or the roots of this equation are x equals 0 and x equals 1. So correct answer is option D. Then we have question number 15 and 16. We have to find the distance between these 2 points, and we know that the distance formula between 2 points is equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square with the positive square root. Let's say these are the values of x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So the formula would become 1 minus 0 square plus 1 minus 0 square with square root. So 1 square plus 1 square will be equals to square root 2. So option D is the right answer. In question number 16, we have a point 2 comma 1, that is a midpoint of these 2 points A and B. And this is the midpoint M. We have to find the value of A. So we know that the coordinates of midpoints are X and Y, and the coordinates of A are X1, Y1, and coordinates of B are X2, Y2. So formula for the x coordinate of the midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the coordinate of y coordinate of the midpoint is equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let's apply this formula. X is 2, and x1 and x2 are 2 plus a divided by 2. So A will be equals to 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, equals to A plus 2. So A will be equals to plus 2. So correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 17 and 18. The given diagram, point B is equidistant from point A and C, and we have to find the coordinates of B. Equidistance from point A and C means midpoint. So the formula of midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So it will become 2. This, let's say this is x1 y1, x2 y2, and the coordinates of B are xy. So 2 plus 8 divided by 2, and 15 plus 45 divided by 2. So 8 plus 2 divided by 2 is 10 over 2, 5, and this will become 60 over 2, 30. So 5 comma 30 is the coordinate of the midpoint. So option B will be our right answer. In the given circle, length of the arc AB and the radius are equal. So it is radius, and this arc length is also equal to radius of the circle. So we know that the relation between them is L equals to R theta, and theta is equals to L over R. If these two are equal, so ratio would be equals to 1 radian. So the correct answer is option A. Then we have question 19 and 20. In a radian, measure 60 degree is equal to. We know that to convert degree into radian, we multiply by pi and divide it by 180 degrees. So 61 and 63 are 180. So pi by 3 is equal to 60 degrees. Option C is our right answer. Then we have question number 20. The area of the sector AOB in the given diagram. So we have angle 1, radian, and radius equals to 2. So area of the sector is equal to 1 over 2 r square theta. So 1 over 2 r is 1, r is 2, and theta is 1. So 2 square is 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. So the area of this sector is 2 centimeter square. So correct answer is option B. Let's come to question number 21 and 22. 2 cos 40 square root 2 cos 45 is equals to, we know that the cos theta is equals to 1 over root 2 when theta equals 45 degrees. So square root 2 multiplied by cos 45 is 1 over root 2. So the value or the simplified form will be equals to 1. So option C is the right answer. In the following right angle triangle, we have to find the length of the hypotenuse, the length of hypotenuse and the right angle arc. We know that the longest side is the hypotenuse. This is the longest side. So longest side is always opposite to the 90 degrees. So angle B is 90 and 5 root 2 is the hypotenuse. Option C is the right answer. Let's come to question number 23. Consider the diagram in which the area of triangle ABC is 6 centimeters square, and the area, we have to find the area of uh, BDC. Then we have question number 25 and 26. How many circles can pass through three non-collinear points? So we know that only and only one circle can pass through three non-collinear points. Option A is the right answer. Let's see question number 26. In the given circle, if PT is the chord and QR is the diameter, intersecting each other such that PS is equals to TS. These are equal. So we know that whenever the a line passing through the center by intersect the chord, it always bisect into equal parts, as well as it's make 90-degree at point S. So we have to identify the angle S, that is the 90 degrees. So option C is the right answer. Then we have question number 27. O is the center of circle and we have two equal chords AB and CD. So we have these two equal chords. We know that whenever two chords are equal, their distance from the centers are also equal. So OE is equals to OF. OE and OF will be equal. These are the distance of chords from the center of the circle. AE and EB, they will be equal because this line bisect the chord. CF equals AEB. CF equals to EB. So these are equal chords. So they are divided into three equal parts. So EB will also be equals to CF. So all the conditions are true. It's mean option A is our right answer. Let's come to question number 28. In this diagram, we have AB is the diameter. We have to identify the angle APB. APB is the angle opposite to the diameter, and it is always equals to 90 degrees. Option C is the right answer. Then which of the following is true for the given cyclic quadrilateral? And we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, the angles, opposite angles in inscribed quadrilateral of a circle are always supplementary. So A and C will be supplementary to each other. Similarly, B and D will be supplementary to each other. So the correct answer is option D, in which A plus C, angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Then we have the last question in this here, in which AB is the diameter and we have to find the value of X. So as I have mentioned earlier, that side opposite to the diameter, angle opposite to diameter is always 90 degree. Here we have AB is our diameter. So this is our 90 degree. And sum of angle is always equals to 180 degrees. So by solving this equation, x plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180. So 3x will be equals to 90 degree and x will be equals to 60 degrees. So the correct answer is, so x is equals to 30 degrees. So correct answer is option A.